Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Citroën C4, a stylish and innovative compact crossover that blends French elegance with modern technology. Citroën has always been known for its unique designs and commitment to comfort, and the 2025 C4 is no exception. This latest iteration continues to stand out with its bold styling, advanced features, and an improved driving experience that makes it one of the most appealing options in the compact crossover segment. One of the first things that catches your eye is the design. The 2025 Citroën C4 has a futuristic yet sophisticated look, with a coupe-like silhouette that gives it a sporty stance. The front end is dominated by Citroën's signature double chevron grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that enhance its modern appeal. The sculpted lines and dynamic proportions make it not just a practical vehicle but also an eye-catching one. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice Citroën's dedication to comfort. The advanced comfort seats offer exceptional support, making long journeys feel effortless. The interior is spacious, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. High-quality materials and a well-thought-out layout create an inviting cabin that enhances the overall driving experience. The dashboard is centered around a large touchscreen infotainment system with an intuitive interface, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. A fully digital instrument cluster and a head-up display provide essential driving information in a sleek, modern way. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Citroën C4 offers multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving preferences. The petrol and diesel variants feature efficient turbocharged engines that deliver a smooth and responsive drive. For those looking for an electrified option, the all-electric C4 model provides an eco-friendly alternative with an improved battery range, ensuring you can travel longer distances on a single charge. The electric model also benefits from fast charging capabilities, allowing you to recharge quickly and get back on the road. Driving the C4 is a pleasure, thanks to Citroën's progressive hydraulic cushioned suspension system. This unique setup ensures a smooth ride by absorbing bumps and road imperfections, making city driving and long highway journeys equally comfortable. The light steering and well-tuned chassis provide a balanced and composed driving experience, making the C4 easy to handle in various conditions. Safety and technology are also strong points for the 2025 Citroën C4. It comes equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety but also contribute to a more relaxed and confident driving experience. Citroën has also focused on practicality. The 2025 C4 offers a generous boot space, making it suitable for families, weekend getaways, or everyday commuting. The rear seats can be folded to expand cargo capacity, allowing you to carry larger items when needed. Clever storage solutions throughout the cabin add to its convenience. In terms of pricing and availability, Citroën aims to keep the C4 competitive, offering great value for the features and comfort it provides. With various trims and customization options, buyers can choose a configuration that best suits their needs and preferences. The 2025 Citroën C4 is a stylish, comfortable, and technologically advanced compact crossover that stands out in a crowded segment. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient petrol or diesel engine or a zero-emission electric model, the C4 has something to offer. Its combination of eye-catching design, plush interiors, smooth ride quality, and cutting-edge technology makes it a compelling choice. What do you think about the new Citroën C4? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branded Cars for more exciting car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.